Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. Let's get started. Use of the indefinite article. The indefinite article is used in its original numerical sense of one as 12 inches make a foot. That a word was said. A word to the wise is sufficient. A bird in the hands is worth two in the bush. In the sense of any to single out an individual as a representative of a class, as a pupil should obey his teacher. A cow is a useful animal. To make a common noun of a proper noun as a denial come to judgment, a denial is equal to a very wise man. Omission of the article. The article is omitted before names of substances and abstract nouns, that is, uncountable nouns, used in a general sense as sugar is bad for your teeth, gold is a precious metal, wisdom is the gift of heaven, honesty is the best policy, virtue is its own reward. Uncountable nouns take the when used in a particular sense, especially when qualified by an adjective or adjectival phrase or clause as, would you pass me the sugar, is equal to the sugar on the table. The wisdom of Solomon is great. I can't forget the kindness with which he treated me. Before a plural countable nouns used in a general sense as children like chocolates. Computers are used in many offices. Note that such nouns take the when used with a particular meaning as where are the children is equal to our children. We use a when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. We use the when we specify. I had a late lunch today. The dinner we had at the tourist hotel was very nice. The is used with these words when we refer to them as a definite place, building, or object, rather than to the normal activity that goes on there as. The school is very near my home. I met him at the church. The bed is broken. I went to the hospital to see my uncle. Next, before names of relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, and also cook and nurse, meaning our cook, our nurse as. Father has returned. Aunt wants to see her. Cook who has given notice. Next, before predicative nouns denoting a unique position, that is, a position that is normally held at one time by one person only, as he was elected chairman of the board. Mr. Brown became principal of the college in 1995.